Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable our ev.com transcripts to improve LinkedIn post clarity, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your ev.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the transcripts section on the dashboard. Here, you can upload your video or audio file that you want to be transcribed. Select the appropriate file from your device and ensure it meets the required format. After uploading, choose the transcription options that best suit your needs. Typically, you will opt for English transcripts, but Rev offers various language options if necessary. Next, review the pricing details and confirm your order. Once your transcription is completed, you'll receive a notification via email. Click on the link provided in the email to access your completed transcript. Review the transcript for accuracy and make any necessary edits. After you are satisfied with the transcript, download the file in your preferred format. Now, head over to your LinkedIn profile. Create a new post and gather your thoughts about the content of the transcript. Copy and paste the relevant sections from the transcript into your LinkedIn post. Make sure to maintain clarity and consider breaking long paragraphs into shorter sections. Add any personal insights or opinions to enhance engagement. Finally, attach any media or links that complement your post. Once everything looks good, go ahead and publish your LinkedIn post. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize our ev.com transcripts to enhance the clarity of your LinkedIn content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.